Want to know how to use Mailchimp for re-engagement campaigns and bring back those subscribers who have gone quiet? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to re-engage your email list effectively and boost your open rates with Mailchimp's powerful tools. First off, if you're looking to try Mailchimp for free, check out the first link in the description below. Not only can you access Mailchimp's features at no cost, but we've also got exclusive bonuses waiting for you. Now, let's jump into how Mailchimp can supercharge your re-engagement efforts. The first thing you'll need to do is segment your audience. Mailchimp lets you create highly targeted segments based on subscriber activity. For re-engagement campaigns, this means identifying users who haven't opened your emails in a while. You can create a segment that includes anyone who hasn't clicked on your emails in the past 30, 60, or even 90 days. Segmenting your audience allows you to personalize the campaign and send relevant messages to the right people. Next thing you should focus on is crafting an enticing subject line. The subject line is the first thing your subscribers see, and it's make or break for getting them to open your email. With Mailchimp, you can test subject lines using A/B testing to see which ones get the most opens. Try including something that piques curiosity, offers value, or even taps into urgency, like "We miss you" or "Come back for an exclusive offer." Now, let's talk about automating your emails. Mailchimp's automation features allow you to set up re-engagement campaigns that trigger automatically after a certain period of inactivity. You can send a sequence of emails designed to recapture attention, such as a friendly reminder or a special offer for returning customers. The great part? You can set it up once and Mailchimp will handle the rest. The fourth thing you'll want to do is personalize your emails. Mailchimp offers dynamic content blocks and merge tags that make it easy to customize your emails based on the recipient's name or other information you've collected. Personalized content makes your re-engagement emails feel more individual and relevant, which can significantly increase your chances of getting responses. The fifth point is to offer an incentive. If your subscribers have drifted away, giving them a reason to come back can be highly effective. You can offer a discount, a free resource, or even exclusive content for those who open and engage with your emails. Mailchimp makes it easy to create visually appealing emails with its drag-and-drop email builder, so you can offer incentives in a way that looks professional and compelling. Next, make sure to analyze your results. After sending out your re-engagement campaign, Mailchimp provides you with detailed analytics, including open rates, click rates, and unsubscribe rates. This information will help you assess what worked and what didn't, so you can refine future campaigns. If your open rates are still low, you can adjust your strategy, whether that means changing the frequency of your emails or experimenting with different content formats. And finally, don't forget to maintain your list hygiene. Even if you successfully re-engage a portion of your audience, it's important to clean up inactive or invalid contacts. Mailchimp offers tools that help you automatically unsubscribe inactive users after a certain number of failed email attempts, keeping your list healthy and ensuring that your re-engagement efforts are focused on the right people. To wrap up, remember that Mailchimp has everything you need to execute successful re-engagement campaigns, from segmentation and automation to personalization and analytics. Best of all, you can start using it completely free from the link in the description below, plus get access to exclusive bonuses. If you're ready to bring back those subscribers and boost your email performance, this is the tool you need.